So quite interesting. I'm sure we all know by now that I am a capacity building coach. So my name is Coach Wilfred Asuko. So today I want to quickly show you all one great opportunity online that I'm not sure many of you've taken a look at it. Now, as a capacity building coach, my focus is always to point you to opportunities where you can make six-figure. I mean, your possibility to be making like $8,000 to $10,000 a month. I mean, you heard me right. $8,000 to $10,000 a month. It's guaranteed, but you just have to be ready to use your brain and work something out, right? So, are you ready to explore this great opportunity? But just before I continue, some of the opportunities that I share out there is mostly the non-coding tech space. The non-coding, by that I mean taking trainings as a business analyst, product manager, product owner, scrum master, data analyst. And when you talk about data analysis, it could be qualitative or quantitative data analyst. So any of these can land you a six-figure opportunity. But for the most part, a lot of folks would want to go with the qualitative data analysis because that allows you to work, remotely on a freelance level. So yes, qualitative analysis can give you such opportunity. Again, it's going to land you in a six-figure space, right? Now, moving far from those, you can join any of this space without actually having a tech background or without ever joining any IT training class. In fact, you can actually get into this tech space without even a degree. It all depends on how much work you're ready to put in, how much work that you are ready to invest in learning, as well as getting up to speed with these opportunities, right? So, but today is one quick opportunity that I need to show some of you online that you may not know. All you need is to sign up, follow the prompt, and then boom. As you follow the prompt, it's going to take you to a place where you will definitely see one or two things that you need to engage in. Well, nothing good comes easy. I tell you this for a fact, nothing good comes easy. Like I said, you are going to be able to make between $8,000 to $12,000 a month if you are ready to put in the work. If your brain is working and you are able to discipline yourself to sit on your computer and do the work. Does that make sense? You're ready to sit on your computer, sit down and do the work. So let's get it rolling. So basically you can come to Google and then you can search for Outlier, and voila, here you are. So here you can, first off, you can search for some of the opportunities that you have in here. Select your location. I'm in the United States. That will, gives you all the available opportunities that you can, take on. And here the focus is training models. So depending on your capacity or what you can take on, yes, they're all remote. Just sit at home. AI content trainer, college student opportunity. So you can see different countries where you are. And this is going to be a very useful opportunity for you. All right. So again, when you sign up for these opportunities, and by the time you cover all the assessments and all the expectations that you need to cover through and upload all your documents as expected, like your resume and every stuff that is required of you, yes, you would find yourself in this kind of page. Like this is my page anyways. So I'm actually working on, these two projects currently, and the assessment task would demand, considerable 60 minutes, which you will be earning about $21 per hour. And by the time the assessment is through, then you convert into the real project. And this project will last considerably for a longer time. You will be able to earn $50 per hour. Likewise, this one as well, you definitely are earning about $50 per hour. And on your dashboard, you have your projects, your earnings, and then you have a lot of, visibility, and the payment is made every single week. Quite amazing. So just multiply 50 times 40. That's exactly what is going to be coming to you. If you work like 40 hours in the week, and sometimes if you work more than 40 hours, Outlier will definitely take care of business and send you your money. Again, I'm your capacity building coach. I strictly focus on 6 figures opportunities in the tech space that will give you 6 figure. This is one of it. When I mean 6 figure, I mean 6 figure. So try this. Fantastic. I'm sure you have been able to catch the glimpse of what I was sharing with you. I know many of you would be interested to see what my earnings look like. Yes, I know many of you want to see that. But anyways, that's not the goal for this video. The goal for this video is for you to go and register and start earning. Register and start earning. Then put in the work. Again, this is beyond making skit. This is beyond just play. This is where you really need to put the test of what you were taught in school and what you feel you know. And this is also a way to add value to your brain as well as increase the earnings in your pocket. You know what I mean? Smiling to the bank and also living a life that you had always wanted to live. And guess what? This is all remote. It's remote, baby. And again, this is tech space as well. So you can maximize as much opportunities as you can around the Outlier opportunity. So if this looks like something that you want to explore, please don't wait. Visit the website. I would drop the link below this video as well, so you can visit the website and then register, follow all the steps, register, upload all the necessary documents and information, and you are up to speed. All right. Again, if you know this is something you love to see some more, drop a comment on this video, as well as subscribe to this channel, and let's get you up to speed. And then more so, look forward to more of this kind of content so you can increase your capacity as well as making some good money. See ya.